How you guys doing? This is Kai from BMW Bend. Today we're going to go over how to use the hands-free trunk. The demo car I'm using is a 2018 BMW 530e. So let's go over the feature. Alright, so to actually do the hands-free trunk, one of the things you'll have to do is be sure to have the key with you. You have to have your fob. Even if the car is unlocked, car's running, doesn't matter. Fob is necessary for this. So once you have the fob with you, best practice, aim for about the round L symbol down, middle of the bumper, and you're gonna swing, we're gonna swing our foot under the bumper and back. I think of it like my foot almost like a swing set. So your foot swings under the bumper and then you pull it back. It's actually the pulling back of your foot that triggers the trunk to open. So step up, kick under, pull my foot back, trunk raises. And this vehicle, being a 5 Series, is also equipped with the close feature, so I can give it a kick again. It'll also close. Now, one thing that I do look out for is the taillights to flash. That's a good indicator that you actually triggered the sensor to pop open the trunk. Sometimes I'll see people kick and keep kicking. You could potentially interrupt one of the motions with a second kick, which would stop it from opening up all the way. So keep that in mind. Do your kick, check to see if the taillights flashed, wait a moment. If they didn't, then try again. Also, if there was an obstruction, something hit the tailgate when it was opening, it would stop the motion as well. On the inside of each vehicle that is equipped with this feature, you will notice one of the factory tags. It gives you instruction on how to do this as well. Just real quick, it does depend on the model and the equipment of your vehicle in order to have this feature. So if you're unsure if you even have it, you can always reference a dealer to get more clarity on that. All right, and that's how you use the hands-free trunk. If you guys have any further questions, feel free to stop by or give us a call here at BMW Bend.
Kendall, let's start something great.